Steel berries. Ka-ching!
Yummy. Well, here we are, 7-Eleven in Fukushima. And wow, 2 older Japanese ladies are working here. Not foreigners. It's been a while since I've seen actual Japanese people working at 7-Eleven. Here we are. We have to organize the stuff. 面白いね。なんかあったんですか？
そうですね。荷物を
はい。
ここに入れます。
はい。My client is having to organize the agent's car so we can fit in for a drive. Wow. Genius. Good job. And we got a hammer to hammer it all in. That's funny. これ何のためですか？この
看板を
はい。ああ、入れるため。看板。何の看板かな？ Here we are at Fukushima Station, folks. Off-road adventure. Round 1. House 1. Tight squeeze, huh? You okay?
Yeah,
all right.
perfect.
Let's see if the door closes. Wow, it did. All right, I get the nice front all to myself. Yes. All right, property number 1. We have to actually park at Family Mart. Alright, so let's see what property number 1 has to offer. So far, we're in the middle of nowhere. Convenience store. We got a hard off, hard on, or an off house, book off. We got everything here. There's a train down there. A busy road, a Uniqlo. Yes. Gonna walk up this busy road here. Korin Machin. Well, this is the first time I've ever had to walk up a highway to go see a property. Quite interesting, isn't it? Oh, is that the property up there? It's beautiful. あっちだね。雑草だらけのやつ。それ売ってる物件ですか？
違います。
空き家？空いてるね。売ってるかな？半分植物みたいですね。It's a plant house. It's where vegetarians live. Yeah. Oh, someone dropped their glove. Need a hand?
ここが一応が自衛隊です。日本の自衛隊が。
嘘？
福知山に。
自衛隊ね。この全部後ろ？
ここの後ろ。
あ、じゃああっちに誰も住んでないってこと？
あ、一応住んでます。住宅街はあるんですけど。
その雑草だらけのやつ全然住んでるかな？
あ、これは違います。
あ、違う。関係ない。じゃあ。だから誰も住みたくない。Who wants to live next to the army people? That's what he was saying. The army's people in here. What's that? はい、しろ。はい。じゃあちょっと待ってください。House? Just kidding.
もう少しで。
もう少し？
もう少しです。
We're still almost there. He did say 5 minutes. Feels like 25 so far. In the middle of nowhere, we still gotta wait for red lights. What is this? I guess you guys got away with me. Oh well, it's done. That was quick. Oh, it's 100 kilometers to Osaka. He said from here. Really? So I could bike that. That'd take like 8 hours on my bike. Oh, we're going down here. Okay, we're getting closer. Yeah, we'll get there eventually. Relax, people, relax. Let's see how Marcin reacts to house number One.
One. This time, number one.
Shh. We'll tell them that later. This time we were smart. We actually chose more than one property to look at. And this is a bonus. Because this wasn't even on the list. So.
仕事は何されてるんですか？
Yeah, homeless です。だから探してる。嘘。Just kidding.
僕見ます。
いや、本当？
はい。
そうよくやる物件のことはね、私が。Oh, here we are.
こちらになります。すみません、ちょっと開けます。
ああ、だから、
そうなんですよ。
来る
駐車場がないんですよ。
そうなのか。
Alright. Are you ready to go into house number one? Visual first.
スリッパ使ってきました。
Alright, we have to use the slippers. Okay, here we go. Round one. Oh, there's even a mini step here, just in case you can't get up the first one. Alright, the first thing we see when we come here is the living room and the bedroom and the kitchen. Okay, we're done, folks. Just kidding. Wow, we got a big open kitchen here with lots of stuff already still in it. Okay, the space is big. The kitchen's a little bit small.
一人で住まれるんですか？
今に、はい。
あ、じゃあちょうどいいぐらいですね。大きさ的には問題はない。
ありません。妻を探した。
あ、妻探してる。
過去に福知山に。
福知山に。
Okay. The washroom is in okay shape, needs to be cleaned. It's a bit older one. Pink tiles, I'm not a fan of pink.
間取りが 4LD。
Got some mold up top there. Looking at Marchin's face for his reaction.
It's pink.
It's pink. Yep.
Not the greatest color.
Sorry, ごめんなさい。
こちらの方が綺麗な物件ですね。この金額帯では珍しい綺麗さだと思います。
いや、次の物件は来てないってこと？
そうです。ちょっとやっぱ築年数も経ってますので、
そうだね。
ここよりかは少し。
Okay, we got the old sand walls in here.
大きさを求めるのであれば次の物件の方が良いかなと思います。
For Osaka, apparently we weren't kidding. They were going to Osaka. See, I saw the future. Look at that. I like them apples. Let's get a good picture of that. This物件はいつからなってんですか？
結構経ちますね。1年ぐらい。
1年？
そんな経って半年ぐらいですね。
半年ぐらい？あれ？古いですね、これ。
そうですね、このレコードは古いやつと。
すごく古い。カラオケじゃないよね。
これはどうですか？カセットテープかな。
Wow, never know what you find in these old houses. I wonder if my MP3 player will work in here. No USB port, what's going on? Interesting. You could probably sell that for $30,000. Wow. Bet you got some good memories in there on those pictures. Wow. 写真は撮らないんですか？この写真とか。Wow, black and white pictures. すごいですね。Wow. Wow, interesting. You get to see who lived here. すごく古いですね。
金額的にはどれぐらい見ていますか？お値段。実際金額。
はいはい。お金はいいですか？
キャッシュでローン。
There's the old trains. Interesting. Hmm. Wow. It's interesting to see these old houses. Oh. Whoa. This floor is broken. Oh my goodness, it's totally... My foot is going inside the floor. Hmm. Whoa. Alright, let's check upstairs really quickly here. Oh wow. They have two beds set up here. Floor's a little more solid up here. It's sad seeing all these old things, you know? People just pass on, generations go, nothing's been changed. This room looks like it's been like this forever. The bed looks clean. Like somebody's been living here. An old National Aircon. Wonder what year that's from. Sand walls. Yeah. And then you got a balcony out here as well. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I don't know how safe this is. You can see the cracks down there. Wow. I'm a little bit scared here. Yeah, that's not safe. Well, if you want to have some coffee out here, it's pretty cool. You get a view from your balcony as well. I don't want to come here at the same time as Martin.じゃあ2階はここしかないってこと？
2階はここだけです。
Well, there's a lot of pictures and a lot of stuff. I feel sad to throw this stuff away, like I said. You know, I feel bad. All the memories. I hope that son takes all those pictures, takes them with him. Because it'd be just sad to see them just be wasted like that. Curious, I want to see more. Clock's still going. Interesting. 2 clocks. Alright, that's it for now, folks. I guess we take a peek in here. Oh, it's empty. There you go, empty.はい。このものはどうするんですか、全部もの。
物は基本的には売り主さんが持って帰ります。
はい。
綺麗になった状態です。
写真とか絶対持っていくよね、これ。これもったいないんですよ。
あ、そうです。持っていかれると思います。
Well, look at that, folks. Pictures from the war show up. You get to see different generations. I hope he doesn't throw these pictures away. You're getting a treasure today, folks. Wow. What a find this is. Yeah. Guys were good looking back in the day. Clean, in shape. No McDonald's. Wow. Well, we get to see some history here today, folks. That's interesting stuff. Wow. Look at that good looking guy over there. Makes me curious. Yeah. Wow. Hey, seesaws. Looks like planes, but they're seesaws. Yeah. Oh. Oh, is it the old style house? Oh, there's one right here. Wow. That's all they wrote. Album. Well, they used English in the old days. That's so cool. Look at all those binders. Wow. Is it okay? Oh,
Yeah.
toilet's fine.
Toilet is fine.
Yeah. Looks like it was an old washiki style before. You can tell they changed it because of the level, I'm guessing. Alright. Tour, house number 1. Complete. Alright. So there's no parking in this place. There's a lot of skinny roads here. Of all the space, living out in the countryside, you'd think they would have designed things a little bit better. Of course not. Why would they? It's too bad. Right near a busy road too. Looks really old. Those gas. That's newer, I guess. But okay, here we are saying goodbye to house number 1. Will he buy it? Or won't he? You just have to wait and see. Well, if he buys it, lives there, he can come join the army. Give him something to do. What do you guys think about that? This must be like the hangout. This is like Shibuya Crossing here. Uribuke mitsuketa. He's from Poland. That's hilarious, that picture there. Don't move. That's cool.
Steal berries. Ka-ching.
It's cha-ching.
Cha-ching. Chin-chin.
Not chin-chin.
Yeah, no.
That's a good one, though. You could add that in there. Cha-ching.
No.
That's going in the bloopers. Okay, that's good. Just kidding.
That would be even more awkward than no, always.
Cat?
Okay, once more.
Sure, whatever. I'm gonna run out of berries, but